Citibank is investing big in this one big IT hub in India. Along with that, there was a Tech Mahindra employee who was detained at the Qatar airport. On top of that, you will find that TCS has recently signed a deal with Air New Zealand. And one more update is that the top corporate employees are leaving, the top VPs and associate presidents are leaving the companies and they are joining this particular IT sector. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is EdTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. The number one thing that we are going to discuss with all of you guys is that recently we made a video on Citibank and its hiring plan. They are going to remove the vendors like TCS, Infosys, Wipro. Right now it is at 50%. They are going to lower it down to 20% vendors and they are going to hire for their GCCs, Global Capability Centers. And there is a good news that in one of the biggest IT city in India, that is Pune, Kharadi area, they have bought an office space of 7.7 lakh square feet, which will be for 10 years lease, and they're going to take 10 floors, which is at the cost of 1100 crores. So this is a good news for employees who want to go for product based companies or banking and financial institution areas. The second important news was from Tech Mahindra's employee who is having a lot of experience in that particular company, almost more than a decade. He was detained at the Qatar airport following the reasons, stating the reasons that there was some theft issue that happened when that person was on site. And this is a concerning thing because that person is detained and might be facing a lot of consequences. So if you're someone who is living in another country, make sure that you follow all the laws and there are no other things which are happening like this. The next important news is with TCS. Now TCS already has a lot of orders. It has a lot of order book for air clients, right? Basically aeroplanes or even the clients which are having some or the other form of air transport. Now TCS is adding one more feather to its crown, that is Air New Zealand. They are going to partner with Air New Zealand to improve their IT transformation, and that is the reason they have got a new contract for it also. Now on top of that, I mentioned that top corporate employees, top management people, they are leaving the corporates like Tech Mahindra, TCS, Ola or other companies, and they're joining small AI startups. They are starting their own AI startups, wherein right now they want to harvest the power and the amount that is being provided by the investors to these small startups which are having AI in their name. For example, if you look at Krutim AI, for example, which is one of the biggest IT company, listed company of Ola Electric, that company's top management is leaving the company and they are going to establish their own AI firms. So this is what is happening in the IT industry right now. On top of that, if you look at the top AI things that happened recently, Grok AI has been famous in India because there has been a lot of answers that Grok AI is giving to a lot of people, which includes sarcasm and a lot of info. So do check out the Grok AI. I will give the link in the description box. Grok AI basically is a XAI's company, which is Twitter or Elon Musk's company. So I hope that you go and check it out. It's really funny. With this, I would like to end our today's video. Thank you for watching this entire video, guys. Hope you all have a great day and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.